In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently on my desktop here, and this is a Windows 10 system that I've got running on this PC. So the first thing you're going to do to actually uninstall the apps is you're going to want to come down to the search bar in the bottom left hand corner. From here, all you need to do is simply type remove, and what's going to happen, you're going to see at the top, it's going to have this best match and it's going to say add or remove programs. So all you want to do is go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see what's going to happen. This is going to bring up the apps and features window. So what I'm going to do is just make this full screen, and what we can do is just scroll down and look for the program we want to uninstall. Alternatively, what you can do is click onto this search box above the list and go ahead and type what you want to uninstall from your PC. So for example, I could go for AVG and it's going to bring up the program like so. So once you've found the program that you want to uninstall, what you then want to do is hover over and give that program a click. And you'll see you're going to get the option to modify or uninstall. So if you want to go ahead and uninstall, all you need to do is simply click the uninstall button down here. And what that's going to do is uninstall that app from your computer. It's just going to run through a quick uninstall wizard, which you can run through to uninstall that app from your computer. So I hope this quick video helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.